friends. So tomorrow's Friday, so we're gonna do something a little different. I want you to go on IXL. I want you to, just a second, move my camera a little bit. I want you to go on IXL. I want you to choose 3 different IXL choices from whatever grade we were working on for math, okay? Most of you I have not working at your grade level in math because I want you to be able to be independent. I want it to be a little bit challenging. I do not want it to be easy. You shouldn't be able to get done with it in a couple minutes. It should take you a little bit longer. But I don't want it to be so difficult that that it's frustrating or that one problem takes a long time, okay? So choose something that is just a little bit challenging, something you know you need to work on, and I want you to do 3 of them, all the way to 90%, and then let me know which ones you did, okay? So I'll write that down. So the only thing I'm sending out today is a math-related magic trick. So if you're going to try this on someone at home, you might want to practice once or twice, and I'm going to write down everything you need to do because there's a few steps, okay? So what you do is this. You have a card for you and a card for your friend, and you're going to write down your favorite number from 1 to 9, okay? And you don't get to know your friend's number. You tell your friend, don't show me this after you write it down. And you write down your number, and it doesn't matter what number it is. So I'm going to write down 5. I'm going to turn it over. And then just because I don't have anyone else here, I'm going to say my friend wrote down 7, okay? And my friend turned it over and didn't show me what it was. And then you're going to ask your friend to do some math, okay? So what you do is you tell your friend, take your number. So I'm going to write down what your friend would write, just so you can see the steps. But you tell them, take your number, that's number, and multiply by 2. So your friend does that. And I'm going to write what your friend would be thinking over here. Okay, 7 times 2 is 14. Because don't forget, your friend has 7, right? 7 times 2 is 14. Then you tell your friend, now add 2. Okay, 14 plus 2 is 16. And then you're going to tell your friend, multiply by 5, okay, this could take a little work, so 16 times 5, 6 times 5, 30, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. If your friend or you need to use a calculator for that part, go ahead. So 80, and your friend still hasn't told you what number they started with, right? Or they can do their work without showing you. And then you say, now subtract, and this is where you have to think for a minute. I want you to think, what is 10 take away your number? So you say subtract, and I'm going to put it in parentheses because you're going to have to figure out this part. 10 take away my number. Okay. So for me, I'm going to think 10 take away 5. That would be 5 for me. So I'm going to say take away 5. 80 take away 5 is 75, right? And then you tell your friend, oh, I know what your number is. Your number is 7. My number is 5. cool math magic trick. I liked that one. Have a good one.